Hello guys, it's me again, Nweke Jeremiah, digital marketer and aspiring forex trader. Please, the video I want to post today is a video I made today when I came back from my morning workout. There's something I want to urge you. I am making this video not to seek for self-pity. No. One of the reasons why I made this video is to motivate me and to motivate so many people out there that are going through the same phase I'm going through in their career, when it seems like you're putting in work and nothing is working, when it seems like you are doing so much and you are not seeing any result for it. Another reason why I made this video is because when I created this channel, I said I was going to use this channel to document each and every phase of my life, so that tomorrow I will go back and see what I was doing in each and every time in my life. This is a phase in my life that I feel like I'm doing so much in this new skill I'm trying to acquire, and nothing seems to be working. I kept on losing. You all know that Forex trading is something that needs money. When you are losing in Forex trading, you're actually losing real money unless you're not ready. So I want you to watch this video with an open mind. I want you to watch this video if you are somebody like me out there that is going through the same thing, be it in your Forex trading, in business, or in any career you are pursuing. I just want you to know that there's going to be ups and downs. There's going to be days you will fail. There's going to be days you will feel like you don't want to do it again. You don't want to try again. But it is going to be worth it. I want to post this video promising myself that enough is enough. I'm not going to be jumping from one career to another, from one skill to another. I'm going to be in this Forex trading and as long as it takes until I see results. I want to see this video in a few years to come and look at myself and say, thank God I did it. Thank God I didn't give up. I want to use this video to promise myself that it doesn't matter how hard it gets, I'm going to be in this skill. I'm going to put in the work. I'm going to work as hard as I can. I'm going to do everything human possible to make sure I succeed. I want to promise myself with this video that I'm going to put in the chat work, the chat time, that I'm not going to give up. It doesn't matter how many times I fail. I might be tired, but tomorrow I will stand and keep going. So one thing I want you to do is, this is a clip I made out of feeling down. Please watch it with an open mind. Oh man, seriously guys, I really feel like quitting forex trading. I feel like giving up. Honestly, this is like a year and now since I started learning forex trading, and I've been a hell of lost. Seriously, I've lost money. I've lost money trying to get funded prop firm accounts. I've lost money in the market so many times. Sometimes it just feels like the work you're putting in is not enough, even when you're doing enough. I have to stop my business to pay full attention to forex trading. I have to stop so many things in my life to pay attention to forex trading. But man, I just kept on losing. Sometimes it's heartbroken that I'm going through all this. Each day, to be honest with you, The money I saved up for taking care of myself is almost finished. Most times I'm depressed. Most times I feel like maybe I should just go back to my job and forget about forex trading. Maybe it's not for me. Most times it just seems like, man, just give it up and try another thing. This is not working. But the one thing that is keeping me, that keeps me going, is knowing that this thing is doable. Knowing that a lot of people have done this, knowing that people have been successful trading forex. That's one of the things that keeps me going. And just like any other skill, craft, or any other occupation or career, I know things takes time and I feel down, but I just want to see the end. I'll keep on putting in work, keep on trying my best, keep on re-strategizing, keep on refining my strategy, and keep on doing everything possible that I can do and see where it leads to. I want to see the end. I know one day I'm going to be profitable. And I'm making this video today. I just lost 15% of my capital this week. I'm applying the correct strategy, though I've gone through all my failures, and believe me, you, majority of the failures I was at fault. I'm working so hard on my psychology. I'm working so hard to understand my strategy properly, and I'm trying my best, and I know one day I'm going to be profitable, and I'm going to teach so many people, and I'm going to encourage so many people to keep going. If you're in my level now, if you're going through the same thing I'm going through, I'm going to encourage you. I just want to encourage you to keep going. I know it's going to take a lot of time. It's going to take time. It's going to take pain. We're going to lose a lot of money. But believe me, at the end of the day, we are going to make it. We are going to be profitable. We're going to be consistent. One thing I've been trying so hard not to do is compare myself to others. I don't want to compare myself to other forex traders. No. I know in the journey of life, our journey are different. Even if this person became profitable within a month or within a week, my own story might be different. It might take me years to be profitable. So one thing I'm trying as much as possible to do is to personally understand my strategy. Then maybe soon I might get a job or go back to my business and be doing it, and also be doing tourists. But I just want to save up money and get a personal mentor, somebody that is already achieving the same results I want. Before now, I was in a community, but my my capital, my money finished, so I have to like be doing everything all by myself. So my next plan now is to get a personal mentor, then maybe join community back again, and then work on myself by myself, do the work, and yeah, I pray I get the results. Subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content. You can see I did it raw. I did not record it. This is just facts. This is not just me telling you the phase I am in my first trading career, and I pray and believe that in few years to come I will look at this video and I'll be proud. I put in the work, I put in the chat hours, and I did the work, and I believed in myself, and I had faith that I'm going to make it. And I want to look at this video in few years to come and be glad I did the work. So if you like this kind of content, if you want to be in the process, if you want to join me in this process, I'll be dropping a lot of content. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll keep in touch. We'll keep in touch with each other, and we'll see each other at the top. Do have a lovely day. Okay guys, I know you must have finished watching the clip now. So you see, that's how it is. I'm not saying that I have not had winning weeks. I've had few winning weeks, but I've also had so many losing weeks. I'm not saying that I don't know much about my strategy, but the problem I am facing majorly now is the problem of psychology. If you know how trading works, it might be good with your trading, but are you willing to be patient till you see your proper setup? Are you willing to be disciplined, not to be clicking and be taking trade where you're not supposed to take it? It takes a lot of mental energy to stay disciplined, patient until all your plan shows on the chart. But I know I've been through so many phases in this career, so I'm going to also pass this stage. I'm going to put in the work and master my psychology and learn how to be disciplined, patient, and learn how to follow my rules. So what I'm telling each and every one of you out there that are currently learning forex trading is, do not give up. One thing I used to tell myself is, if people can do this successfully, if people are making it with this skill, if it is doable, then I'll be in it until it starts working. Yes. And that is the same thing you should tell yourself. It doesn't matter how hard it gets, we will get there. I remember few back last year, I don't know so many things I know now, but there is progress. There's progress. So I'm not going to give up now. I don't even know if I'm almost close to my destination. I know once I start being consistent, the reward will make up for all the time I've been losing. I know this career before I entered is not going to be easy. And I'm not using other people's results to monitor my own results. It might work for some people within a month, and it might take years for people to start, for other people to start seeing results. But the thing is, I as a person have to make that decision that I'm going to stay in this until I am profitable, consistently profitable and successful in it. So I'm telling you too, if you're going through the same phase, you have put in the chart time, but each time you go to trade and keep on taking losing streak, don't give up. I'm also telling the same thing I'm telling you now to myself. Do not give up. In your business, you keep on trying different things, but it seems like you kept on losing. Do not give up. We just passed through pandemic. Everybody is going through a loss. Inflation is there. So you are not the only one passing through hard time. So many people are passing through hard time. Instead of you to be depressed, look at those days that things were working fine and be happy. Keep trying. The only way you are going to fail yourself is if you give up. In as much as no matter how hard things get, you wake up every day and keep on trying. If you make mistake, see what the mistake is, learn from the mistake and keep on moving. Don't give up. Okay, like last week, each and every trade I took, I went back to the trade and found out that this was actually a justifiable error. I didn't wait. I wasn't patient enough for my plan, for my setup to play out. I was just clicking. So even if I'm not happy with the loss, it can still be corrected. I know it's going to take time. And I did not do this video to seek for self-pity. I did it to post it on my channel so that in few years to come, when things will start working in my favor in this forex trading, I'll go back to this video and remember and remind myself that I promised myself that I am not going to give up. It doesn't matter how long it takes for me to be profitable. So I'm telling you the same thing. Stick to what you are doing. Keep going. Do not give up. Hold on. If you are down, get up and keep trying. Don't fall down and stay down. I am just like you. The same way I'm telling you this is the same way I'm telling myself. We have to keep going. We don't have to give up. If we give up now, who are we giving up for? It is better to be patient and grind until you succeed. I know it can be, the time of waiting can be long, but it's better than giving up and later regretting it. It is better for you to put in the work and hang in there. Believe me, it is going to worth it. Keep on trying, keep on putting in the chat time, and let's see in the future. No matter what happens, don't give up. We stay in this and we will win. So one thing I'm going to encourage you to do is to subscribe to my channel, like this video so that so many other people going through the same thing, the same phase, can see it and have hope that it's going to work. Remember, this same skill is working for so many people. So it's going to work for us. Alright? Subscribe to the channel. I post so many educative content in this channel. I'm just posting this so that you see that you're not the only one. I also post so many educative content and motivating content. Remember to share with each and everybody you know that is going through this phase. And do have a lovely day. Have fun and keep chasing your dream. Bye-bye.